Hi boys and girls, happy Monday. It is time for our phonics lesson. Our lesson is a little different this week. We are going to say a pair of words that rhyme, and then you get to come up with more words that rhyme with those words. So for example, I'm going to say me, see, and then you are going to think of more words that rhyme with me and see. So you're going to say me, see, be, he, knee. You're going to see if you can think of other words that rhyme with the words I say. So let's try another one. Go, no. Go, no, show, toe. Wow, I bet you can think of even more words than that. Let's try the next one. My, by. My, by, pie, sky, fly. I bet you can think of more. All right, the next one, try on your own. Red bed. Awesome. And the last one, cat hat. Wow, I bet you came up with lots of good rhymes. You guys are really awesome at rhyming. Keep up the good work. All right, our next one is our onset fluency. And this one's a little different too. I'm going to say two words that start with the same sound. You're going to give me a thumbs up if you agree. If they start with the same sound, you're going to give me a thumbs down if it's different. So let's try this one. Dawn, duck. Now you're going to say it. Dawn, duck. Do they both start with duh? Thumbs up, they do. All right, next one. Fun, less. Fun, less. Now think, do those start with the same sound? No, they don't. Okay, so repeat after me. Give me a thumbs up if they start with the same sound, a thumbs down if they don't. Tick, top. You got it. Live, feet. No, those don't start with the same sound. Zero, zip. Good job. They both start with Z. All right, our next one, we are going to use our choppers. And this week, we have 3 sounds in our word. So instead of just chopping twice, we're going to chop 1, 2, 3 times. All right, so you're going to repeat after me, okay? At, cat. Your turn. Man. Ag, tag. Van. App, nap. Nice job. Our next one, we're going to punch it out. We're going to say our final sound as we bring our hand up. Oh, I did it backwards. All right, repeat after me. Dock. Mouse. Ran. Up. Tub. Nice job punching it out. Our next one, we need our choppers again. This time, we're going to segment our phonemes. We're going to say the word first, then chop it into 3 pieces. All right? Repeat after me. Dot. D-ot. Fox. Ox. Hop. Up. Not. Ought. Mom. Great job. All right, next one, we are going to add something to our word. All right, so you need your hands for this one. You're going to start with an ending and you're going to add the beginning. All right, here we go. Repeat after me. At. Add k. Cat. An. Add Man. Ag. Add t. Tag. App. Add n. Nap. An. Add v. Van. Good job. Next one, we're going to delete part of our word. You're going to hold a little word in your hands. We're going to take something away from it. All right? Our first word is dot. Without d, what's left is ot. Fox. Without f, what's left is ox. Hop. Without h, what's left is op. Not. Without what's left is ought. Mom. Without what's left is Great. Next one, we're going to substitute our phonemes. So we're going to have our fists together. We're going to be changing out the beginning of a word. So repeat after me. Pet. Change p to g. Get. Get. Change g to l. Let. Let. Change l to j. Jet. Jet. Change j to Met. Awesome. All right. And now our rhyme today, our language awareness, is a rhyme called Hickory Dickory Dock. So I'm just going to do the first line today. You're going to repeat it. First line is the same as the title. Hickory Dickory Dock. Your turn. Great job. That's it for today. We will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.